Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Right, okay, this is what I'm doing. So you've probably seen my first sneak peek. Let me just remind you, this is what I did. Put that back in there. So this is my next sneak peek. So yeah, I have been colouring. I've got two cards there. Yeah, I don't know why I've got two, but I've got two. Why are you poking out? Right, okay. Oh, don't want to lose them. So I've got this. Oh, I love it. So this is from one of Dawn's colouring sheets from her monster pack, monster kit, I should say. And yeah, I've just, because you can make your own monsters. So I've been busy. So I've coloured it in, and what I thought I'd do, instead of sticking it all together, the kit comes with these tiny little brads. So I'm going to put it together and I'm going to make a card with it. So I've already done two. Find out how I want the other arm. I think I want it in or down. No, I want it like that. So be careful of my fingers. And I'm going to stick that there. Make sure I actually get into the other side. And yeah, I'm just going to do that. Yeah, bit of a mess on the back, but you're not going to see the back. Put my tiny little brad in there. I don't think I've ever seen brads this small before. And flatten it out. And there's my second arm. It looks like he's got a button on his little dress. Don't know. And then we have our little legs. So I don't know if I want one on the front and one on the back. Yeah, I've got them back to front leg, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I quite like it like that. I'm going to go through this way actually, so I know I am getting my leg. So another little brad, and this is a fabulous kit to play with. Obviously, awesome kit to play with. Right, so there's my first leg. I was going to put one on the front, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just going to do that. Make sure he fits. Yep. So yeah, I'm not going to stick his head, his arms, or his legs down. I'm just going to stick his body, so it's movable. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So let's do this. Oh, I just knocked you. I'm sorry. Right. It's very sharp, this all. I've stabbed myself once with it already. Okay. So we have that. Let's put our... so small I can't get it in. There we go. And open it out. Don't break on my... Oh, points are very sharp, like. And there we have it. How cool is that? I love it. So I'm going to prep my card, and what else do you get in your kit? Well, you get eyes, obviously. And I'm going to do background with the eyes. See how many we actually get. I haven't had them out the packet yet, so oh, you get quite a bit. So I'm just gonna stick them anywhere, and we will have an eyeball. I'm trying not to stick them in the middle if I can help it. There's one. Because you're not gonna see the middle really, are you? Because I'm going to have a monster stuck there. Another yellow. Never mind, it's got a different colour eye. Right, let's have a look at that. See if I like that. You can move the arms around. You move the legs. I love it. I love it. Absolutely love it. It needs to be up on some what you call it, but I'm thinking maybe I should stick the head down and can't move the head around. I never thought about this. Obviously, but I do want these to be posable. Yeah, let's get some cardboard. Got some here, scissors, and let's see where we can actually stick the cardboard. Obviously the head. So got the head. I don't want them to interact too much with the movable parts. Right, that'll do, I think. Yeah, yes, that will do. And still move them around, I hope. We will see, won't we? I love this kit. It's so much fun to play with. Oh, sorry if my head gets in the way. I couldn't see what I was doing then. So yeah, I did have a sentiment, but I don't know what I've done with it. Let me get my basket. Ooh, sneak peek. So yeah, I've got a happy Halloween, and this sentiment is from her Autumn Spice. I'm not too sure if it's still available in her shop. Yeah, I'm not sure. Well, a shop will be linked below anyway. Yeah, I like it. Right, let's get it stuck down. I have been busy colouring in, making my own monster. I can't wait to show you. This is just so much fun. And you can still move them around. I like it. Right, let's see where we can put this, because I want it to be seen. So I'm thinking just at the top there. And I'm also going to stick some googly boogly eyes on. Just in and around. I was going to give him googly boogly eyes, but I like them eyes. Right, are you stuck? Yeah. Right, I'm going to stick my sentiment down. Like that. Oh, and make sure, if you haven't already, to go over and check out the other design team members, see what they've done with this kit. I've already seen what somebody has done. Absolutely amazing. I love what she's done with it. I hope she's done that on camera so you can see. But yeah, you have to go have a look at everybody. one down there, I think. The googly boogly eyes. I love these googly booglies. Keep calling them googly booglies. Just googly eyes, aren't they? But I like the googly boogly. I love it, but I think I need another eye here. Just there. And here. Yeah, I'm happy. So there is my my fun card, my posable monster. I love these, absolutely amazing. And the monsters that are created in this were actually created by Dawn's eldest daughter, Kate. She's absolutely brilliant. She's so talented. So yeah, beautiful. Oops, don't want to lose any of those googly booglies. Right, I think that's it. I think that's my sneak peek done. I love it. It did take a while to colour in though. Yeah, I just used watercolour pencils. You can watercolour with them, but I can't seem to watercolour properly, so I just use them as colouring pencils, which is fine. Fine. So yeah, I like it. And we have googly bullies. I love it. I could play with this all day. It's a shame I couldn't get his head to move, but yeah. And do the splits. Hello. Sorry. I'm having fun. Okay. I'm going to go and have some more fun now. I'm going to colour in some more. I don't usually do a lot of colouring in, but yeah, I've just realised I've not put my light on. Does it make a difference? A little bit. Yeah. Never mind. So there you go. That is... Sorry. I am going to go. I'm going to leave you. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye for now.